Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Zoe. I am an automation advisor. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up automatic monitoring of a folder for new files. When a new file arrives, our system will pause for 5 minutes. This delay ensures we gather any additional files that might come in during that window. After the 5-minute hold, the system will then attach all the new files and send them via email. I will be using FibAudit Automation Workshop for this task. Automation Workshop is a no-code app that allows you to automate various computer tasks on Windows, including sending automated emails. Let's start with the creation of an automated task. Workflows or tasks are created using the Task Creation Wizard, a tool that guides you through all the necessary steps. The whole process is quick and easy, and it doesn't require any programming knowledge. Automation Workshop can run a workflow automatically. Workflows that start automatically require a trigger. To monitor a local or shared folder for new files, we need to use the File and Folder Watcher trigger. Let's specify the folder we want to monitor. In my case, it is the My Files folder. Also, for this tutorial, we'll specifically be monitoring for new PDFs and Word documents based on their file extensions. Our trigger is now set up. As soon as a new file appears in the monitored location, our workflow will be activated. Every workflow consists of actions. Each action defines a specific operation, like printing, sending emails, and so on. First, we'll insert a 5-minute pause into our workflow. The wait action allows you to delay execution of a workflow. I'm adjusting this to 5. And choosing minutes instead of seconds. Automation Workshop features more than 100 actions. You can simply type a keyword here, and the relevant actions will appear. The Send Email action is an easy-to-use email sending bot. I will quickly fill all the necessary fields. I'd like to add the current time to my email message. To do this, I'll turn to the Variable Wizard. Now let's browse the date and time presets. We have the timestamp without separators. Dashed. System date. Long format. None of these are quite right. I'll head over to the time category to select the current time. And as you can see in the preview, this is how it'll appear in our email. Now let's specify our attachments. PDFs and Word documents. After the 5-minute wait, all the files that have been added to the monitored folder during this interval will be automatically attached. We'll add another action. After the files are emailed, they'll be automatically moved to an archive folder. I'll use the variable wizard to retrieve a list of the files we just emailed. The attachments variable gives us the list of files that were attached. For the destination, I'll type the path to our archive folder. Adjust additional task settings as necessary. And as the last step, give this task a recognizable name. I will name it Auto Email Documents. We'll activate our task later, after adjusting the concurrency setting. The setting I am looking for is available in the task properties. Let's make that adjustment. You'll find the concurrency policy under the Settings section. We need to choose Do Not Start the New Task. This ensures that no new task instances are spawned during the 5-minute wait. By doing so, we ensure that a single task instance handles sending all attachments that appear within that 5-minute window. That's it. Now, let's enable our newly created task. Our task has begun monitoring the specified folder for new files and will send them following a 5-minute delay. I can close Automation Workshop now, as it runs seamlessly in the background. All your automated workflows will keep operating in unattended mode. You can further enhance your workflow by adding more steps. For instance, you can configure it to automatically upload the emailed files to an FTP server or any other remote server. Say goodbye to manual and boring tasks. Let Automation Workshop handle the heavy lifting for you. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration is required, and it takes only a minute to try Automation Workshop. The time-saving effect is invaluable. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.